Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing this month's Vettsy box, which I'm super excited about. So I'll move this off to the side, open it up, and let's see what we get. Move all the fluff out of the way. Okay, so the first thing I see are these super cute little pink bows. Really nice. Okay, so the next thing I see is a magnet. So we've obviously got a cat eye gel. The next thing I see here is a selection of some pretty brown roses, bows, pearls and champagne coloured sequins. Super duper nice. Then the next thing I see is this nice rose gold pink glitter. We'll take out the packaging because my camera's not really picking up that colour too well in the packaging. But yeah, rose gold, very, very nice. Oh, the next thing I see is a bunch of pumice stone cuticle pushers for doing your cuticles. I suppose you could also use them for pushing down stickers, but nice, set of 5. I'll probably won't use them on clients. I'll have them for like personal use. Then the next thing I see is a set of 4 nail sugars in pink, green, bluey white and like a green and brown. Nice. Oh, the next thing I see is this. Okay, so soft, squishy, like silicone, I suppose. I don't know, you could use it to like rub on chrome or maybe like push down stickers or something, maybe. I don't know what it is, I'm just guessing. Let's put that off to the side. Oh, the next thing I see are some little liner brushes. Super cute in this marbly pattern. I have so many brushes now, it's ridiculous. I got like this big huge like round revolving tub and there's just so many brushes in there. I've got to sort them out because I've got more than I'll ever use. So we've got some stickers, we got some cute little Halloween ones and some animal print. That looks like it apart from the polishes. So the first one we have got is number 46 bonus. The next one we have is number 40 must stay. I think I've got both of them colours somehow. I'm just having a quick nose at my colours. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. I've already got both of them colours from Vettsy, but hey ho, that's fine. And then obviously we have our cat eye. So I will just go and swatch these 3 and I will be back, guys. Okay, so I am back after swatching these. So we have number 46 bonus, which is like a nice mustard yellow. Must stay, which is like a reddy brown. And then we have this gel polish, cat eye, which is also like a reddy brown, and I have swatched them for you guys. So first one, must stay, is a really nice sunflowery mustard yellow. I do like, and unlike last month's box, that colour's pretty close, to be fair. Then we have Must Stay, which is, it's really nice red toned brown. Kind of reminds me of milk chocolate. And then we have the cat eye. And here it is. Absolutely beautiful. And I must say, I like all of these colours. I think they go really well together. And I'm kind of thinking I could like use these three. Maybe like this nail sugar, this glitter, and maybe this little pack of decorations to make a really cute like fall nail design. If you'd like to see that, please let me know in the comment section below and I will make that video for you guys. And I'll see you all in another video. Bye!